Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. And yes, I'm back with another exciting recipe. So, with the title, you might have already known that I'll be showing a biryani recipe today. Biryani is one such food which is loved across the globe. Whoever loves Indian cuisine will definitely love biryani. But thinking about biryani, you think of a long time it takes to prepare biryani or the complex ingredients that is used to prepare biryani. But I am here and I am with a recipe which is very easiest to make and with minimal ingredients and taste top level. Excited? Let's get started. So let's see the list of ingredients. Here are the whole spices. I have taken one cinnamon, then 5 elaichis and 7 cloves. Then around 4 tablespoons of curd, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon of turmeric, and here I have taken 1.5 cup of rice. Here I have taken 8 to 10 dried red chilies. I have soaked them in water for around 10 to 15 minutes. Half kg chicken, 2 tomatoes and 3 onions. And also another main ingredient is banana leaf. So with all these ingredients, let's start cooking. Let's begin by marinating the chicken. I'm here adding curd, turmeric powder and also salt. Mix this properly and keep this aside. Now let's prepare the chili paste. Grind the soaked chilies, make a paste and keep this aside. So this is how it looks. Grind it without adding much water. Now in a pan add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and also 2 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee is completely optional but it enhances the taste. To this I am now adding all the garam masalas taken. Once it starts spluttering, add chopped onions. Fry the onions slightly before adding ginger garlic paste. Once the onions are slightly brown or cooked, I am here adding ginger garlic paste and fry this completely till the raw taste of ginger garlic paste fades away. You need not completely caramelize the onions just like we do in case of Hyderabadi dum biryanis. A slight golden brown color cooked onions would be perfect for this style biryani. You can see the onions are slightly brown and now it's time to add tomatoes. Mix this properly. Tomato is again optional. If you want to add that tangy flavor to your biryani, you can add tomatoes or else you can skip tomatoes. The tomatoes are mushy now and now we'll be adding the pasted chili. Cook this mixture till there is no more raw or wet smell of chilies. ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ ಹಸಿ ವಾಸನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಹೋಗೋ ತನಕನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕುಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ತರಕಾರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಸಿಮೆಣಸಿನ ಪೇಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದೇ ಫ್ಲೇವರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾರಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಿಕನ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್. Now add salt as per the taste. Mix this again and cover the lid and cook for almost 5 minutes. ಐದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕನ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ 3 ಕಪ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ 1.5 ಕಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಡ್ 3 cups of water. Also handful of coriander leaves and half a lemon. Cover the lid and wait till the water boils. ಕುದಿ ಬರೋ ತನಕ ಕಾಯಬೇಕು. Only when the water is completely boiling you will have to add rice. So this is an important step. Now I'll be adding washed rice. So this is 1.5 cup of rice. Now it's time to add the most special ingredient, that is banana leaf. So cooking this with banana leaves gives this a very pleasant flavor. Cover the lid and cook this. So in between make sure that you always mix the portion so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. ಆಗ್ತಿರುವಾಗ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಸರಿ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ತಳ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. You can see the rice is almost 80% cooked. So cover the lid and place the vessel on a tawa. Cook this in sim for almost about 5 to 6 minutes. So after 5 to 6 minutes, open the lid, stir this or mix this again. Cover the lid and cook this for another 6 minutes. Make sure to keep the gas flame in sim, else the biryani gets burned. And now there you can see is the simplest tasty Ambur style biryani. I'll taste this and let you know how it is. I wish I could have given it to you through this camera and made you taste this. It is so tasty. So prepare this at home. I mean, follow the proportions of ingredients properly. If you're increasing any quantity, then increase it proportionally. Prepare this at home and enjoy it yourself. With this beautiful and tasty dish, I'll be signing off for today's episode. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe so that you can find all such beautiful and tastiest recipes. I'll be back soon with another video. Till then, stay safe, take care, stay tuned.